Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start now, you're at the curb and heading into Naia Terminal 3. You should have passport and ticket in hand, so check-in is quick. The airline desk will verify documents and issue a boarding pass, which speeds security. Once done, confirm baggage policy and tag your suitcase. Overweight charges can slow you down. If you need seat changes or special assistance, request it at the counter immediately so staff can assign resources before security queues form. You hand documents to the agent and they scan passport and ticket. This creates your passenger record and explains why accurate ID matters. Next, place checked luggage on the scale while you watch the tag being printed. This links your bag to your flight and reduces lost baggage risk. Once your bags are accepted, confirm boarding time and gate number, and if you have a tight connection, ask for priority handling. These steps minimize surprises after security. Complete check-in by collecting receipts and verifying flight details on your boarding pass. You'll need these at security and immigration. If anything goes wrong, missing seat, system error, or a baggage mismatch, ask the counter agent to escalate to a supervisor right away so you get a timely resolution. As a troubleshooting tip, if checked baggage doesn't arrive, file a property irregularity report with the airline at their desk, and note.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.